stick. Rod. How about that? I found a rod. There's a nice handy tip. Electric motor is locked in position. just you stand up and use the oars to steer. Yep, got him. Oh, perfect. Good stuff. Finally. Nice little guy on the orgy. Nice little guy on the orgy. Good stuff. Oh, yep, fish on. This is a good fish actually. Really good fish. Yes. That's enough. Ow. Good cod. Lovely on the trawl. Lovely cod on the trawl. Good stuff. That's really good. There we go. Yeah, the Primal HD 330. These things are an absolute beast when you're trawling. Oh, how good. That's a good fish. Yes. Oh, yep. Oh, yep. Good hit, right on the side. That's a good cod. They had my heart pumping. Mate of mine lost a 110 to 120 in here a couple of months ago. And I've been coming out here every now and then just to see if I can entice it. But doesn't matter. I don't know 120, but still a good fish. Really nice fish on the gangster. There we go. That's a good 60. Very good fish. Really good cod on the Gangster. Out of the canal. Beautiful fish. Absolute stunner. Oh, beautiful. Nice soft release. Yep. Oh, yep. Good. Oh, that's a good head shakes. Oh, that's a good cod. There we go. Nailed that orgy. Absolutely nailed that orgy. Good stuff. Photo. Lovely. Lovely cod. On the orgy. Another good cod off the bridge. Very nice. Very